Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. Today's video is about how to make resin alphabet keychains. Depending on the resin brand, mix the resin and hardener in the ratio mentioned. Here I am using Epoch Art resin and I have mixed in the ratio 3:1. I wanted to try different mediums like Pinata alcohol ink, acrylic ink and acrylic paint on resin. Starting with, I have poured the clear resin to the letter molds. First, I'll be showing with alcohol ink. Here I am using magenta, blue, yellow and white. You can choose colors of your choice, but white is a must. Add a drop of colored ink followed by white ink. Repeat this process for 2 times. Just merge the colors with the help of toothpick. Next, I wanted to try with acrylic ink and acrylic paint. So add 2 to 3 drops of ink or paint to the resin and mix well. Add 2 drops of isopropyl alcohol to it and mix well. Then add the colors to the clear resin which was poured earlier. Pour clear resin in a small cup and add gold leaf to it and mix well. Now pour it into the letter molds. Let it dry completely. You can pour it approximately around 1 mm or 2 mm. After 24 hours, mix resin with black alcohol ink and pour it. While demolding letter N, I found that blue color settled in the bottom and it was not looking nice. So while coating, I just added some glitters and finished the look. Add a coat of clear resin on the front and back so you get this shiny look. Here the letter M, D and P have followed the same procedure as H. Here I've used the alcohol ink method where I added the colored ink first and then followed by white ink. The same procedure has been followed for M, D and P letters. Please click on the subscribe button and then hit on this bell icon so that whenever I post any videos, you'll be notified with a message.